Sometimes the biggest reason people lose respect is because they stop respecting themselves first. Self-respect, ISNT, something people give you. It's something you build from the inside out. And once you have it, the world starts treating you differently. The first step is setting boundaries without apologizing. People don't disrespect you because they are stronger. They do it because you allow it. The moment you decide what is acceptable and what is not, everything changes. Boundaries protect your peace, and your peace is your power. Stop explaining yourself too much. When you over-explain, you sound unsure. Say your decision once, calmly and confidently. People listen more when your words are simple and firm. Confidence comes from clarity, not from long explanations. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is walk away. Your silence can say more than your argument. Your absence can show more than your presence. Protect your peace by leaving what drains you. Walking away is not weakness, it's self-respect. Keep every promise you make to yourself. When you tell yourself you'll do something, do it. Nothing builds self-respect faster than self-discipline. When your actions match your intentions, your confidence grows naturally. Stop competing and start improving. You don't need to compare your life with others. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Growth creates confidence. Confidence creates self-respect. Choose people who choose you. You don't need to chase love, beg for attention, or prove your worth. The right people stay without pressure. When you respect yourself, you stop forcing connections and start attracting real ones. Your energy is your currency. Protect it. Don't waste it on negativity, arguments, fake friendships, or anything that pulls you away from who you're becoming. When you value your time and your peace, people learn to value you too. Self-respect begins the moment you decide you deserve better and refuse to settle for less. If you want more psychology, self-growth, and mindset videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected for daily content that strengthens your mind and transforms your life.